box is yours at this time. Have a good one.
Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, it's Mr. Skip Stewart. Here he comes. Keep an eye on that aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, as we go back and look at. Literally holding that aircraft on the top of the wings, producing absolutely no lift. That's pure engine power and pilot skill. Pulling out, there's a snap rolls as he climbs off the deck, still rolling. As a recipient of the 2013 Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the 2015 Art Show Award, Skip Stewart has proven to be one of the most entertaining airshow pilots in the world today. Watch out, Skip brings the aircraft right back on the deck. Literally. Smoke on, Skip Stewart. Pulls on the skip, pulling positive teams, pushing him down on the seat as he goes across the top, back quickly. With over 10,000 hours of flight experience, Skip is an airline transport pilot, having flown the Boeing 727 and currently an MD alone captain. He's also a certified flight instructor that owned and operated an aerobatic flight school. He's earned gold medals in regional aerobatic competitions and has served as a chief pilot for a Fortune 100 company. Watch now as he points his nose straight down, putting up a lot of airspeed. Skip Stewart coming in from the left. Inverted, upside down. Now he's right side up. Pulls on the skip. Across the top line. Snaps the aircraft all the way around once, twice, 3 times, ladies and gentlemen, a triple avalanche loop. Skip practices tirelessly in the custom airplanes he built himself to ensure Good Morning America and magazines, including Plane and Pilot, Smithsonian Air and Space, and Sports Illustrated. Skip's aircraft again is called Prometheus. It's partly pitch and partly Skip Stewart. This aircraft started life as the pitch S2S. Skip modified Prometheus to become the airshow machine he envisioned. The aircraft lanked an American hot rod with the horsepower increased to 400, a massive 3-bladed prop, and a rate of climb of 4,000 feet per minute. Watch it. The aircraft climbs in the blue skies. Again, a series of snaps. Takes the aircraft upside down, holds it on the prop, points that nose down and builds up a lot of airspeed. Speed of 300 miles per hour. Watch it skip again. Snaps on the outside, up the 45-degree line. Right back down from the left this time. Watch as Prometheus goes straight up into the beautiful blue. Airspeed begins to bleed off as he pulls across the top. Down the 45-degree line, snaps it once, twice. Now he's upside down as he approaches show center. When you're upside down again, the controls are completely reversed. You want to go down, well, you better pull forward. And there it is. That's the force of gravity when the throw Skip on the top of the cockpit. Watch as he takes across the top in the micro loop. Look at this. And now watch as he recovers, points the nose high in the high profile, slows that aircraft way down. You can become friends with Skip on Facebook at Skip Stewart Air Shows. Watch again as he pulls up from the left, points that nose down, builds up a lot of airspeed once again. Now the pitch originally only had 2 ailerons. Skip has modified this aircraft to have 4, and you can see how quickly this aircraft is snapped. All the way around the outside. 9 minutes. Again, that's pure engine power right there. The wings doing absolutely no good. The Skip snaps it again. Straight level is just not a word in his dictionary. watch as he rolls and spins at the same time. That takes a lot of coordination. Watch out as he comes in from the left. Get your cameras ready. This is going to be a great photo opportunity to get a good look at Prometheus. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Skip Stewart and Prometheus. He's got that aircraft way down there. That plane should be falling out of the sky. He's below stall speed right now. Look at that. That is talent right there, ladies and gentlemen. That man knows that airplane. Sponsors include Lycon Custom Engine, Whirlwind Propellers, Airflow Performance, Sarasota Avionics, XCOM Avionics, Concord Battery, Oregon Aero, Softy Parachutes, BNC Alternator, Horizon Hobby, Aerographics.com, Hawk Racing Apparel, Skytech Starters, 3W Model Aircraft